Pros and cons of holding an open house. Pro, exposure. You get more people in to see your property in 2 to 3 hours than you would scheduling individual showings. Con, exposure. You have a lot more people and germs in your property in a short amount of time. Pro, it's a low pressure environment. You have 1 to 2 agents depending upon the size of your property, and then people coming in and out just looking at your home on their terms. Con, you've got the nosy neighbors, the looky-loos, the non-serious buyers just coming through your home because they're curious. Pro, the marketing. The marketing that your realtor should be doing to drum up attention for that open house is getting more eyes in front of other agents and other potential buyers. Con to that is security, is that now people that are potentially attending your open house, you need to think about all of the things that you have that are out in your home. I always tell clients, make sure that any possessions of yours that you want to keep safe, either take out of your home or lock them up in a safe. Ultimately, having an open house is your decision. Make sure that you have that conversation with your agent to decide what is best for you. For any other information and real estate tips, drop me a message and make sure to follow me.